Emma Sarah with emmasarah.com. I'm going to do a quick box review. I got this box in. I'm going to make it quick so I'm almost out of battery for. This is my Thrive order. I really like to shop locally as much as possible. When you have a family of 9, however, you have to do what you can to save money in some places, and so I do shop locally as much as possible. And for other things, I do use Thrive. If you'd like the link, I can give you the link to order. But I love getting organic goods here. We have some kelp noodles and plantain chips for one of my guys who does mostly grain-free. We have some oat milk. And this Ticino is really wonderful for people who are trying to get off caffeine. It is good for reducing acid in the body. We have some Tulsi, which is great basil tea. And I'm going to try these out right here. These are Adora Calcium Dark Chocolate Supplements. I really don't get enough calcium, so I need to up that. So I got some natural calcium here. Also have some extra shampoos for when I run out. We do like to use a lot of the Young Living products, but